We're getting to know that Rakesh Tikait is now speaking to the media. Listening.
हम इस मुद्दे पे देश की फौज के साथ में, देश की सरकार के साथ में टाइट फैसले ले, जहां जरूरत होगी वहां इस मुद्दे पे साथ चलेंगे। हमारे इंटर मामले यहाँ के हैं, वो फसलों के दाम के वे जो सवाल है हमारे, उसको इन मुद्दों से जोड़ कर ना चले।
नमक की बात कही है, जो
नमक लाहौरी नमक आता था, क्या वो भी बंद होगा? वो खास करके फास्ट में इस्तेमाल होता है सेंधा नमक, उसको बंद करके भाई दूसरी जगह से ईरान से जो वहां से आता है वहां से मंगाए, पाकिस्तान वाला बंद करे। लाहौरी नमक होता था वहां से ही आता था, उसको सब इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उसको भी बंद करें और हर आदमी को उसको बंद करना चाहिए। बहुत से मसाले आ रहे हैं, वे पाकिस्तानी मसाले हैं लेकिन बाया दुबई आते हैं, तो इन सब चीजों की सरकार जांच करे। अगर कमर तोड़नी है तो फिर पूरा सिस्टम बनाना पड़ेगा। वो अगर वहां का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है उन कंपनी का, वो बाया दुबई आ रहा है तो उसको भी बंद करना चाहिए।
इसके साथ चाइना ने दबाव बनाया दोनों तरफ से,
वो तो दबाव बनाएगी, वो सरकार अपना सतर्क रहे और पूरा देश उस मुद्दे पर सब साथ में है। वो तो नेशनल पॉलिसी है, वो सरकार तय करे, और जो विपक्ष वाले हैं वे भी, उन्होंने भी सरकार के साथ में बैठ के कहा कि आप जो फैसला लोगे हम सब साथ में हैं।
पूरा देश एकजुट है,
बिल्कुल एकजुट है, इन इशू पे पूरा देश एकजुट है। वो हमारे इंटरनल मामले हैं यहाँ के, वे हमारे मुद्दे चाहे पानी के हो, इसके हो, फसल के रेट के हो, वे सवाल हमारे चलते रहेंगे। लेकिन
Okay, this is interesting, Rishabh, because this is like an about turn. And what has changed his opinion in the last 2 minutes?
You know, I've sat on moments in which, been doing this for long enough, when if you look back, you realize that that particular leader or self-defined leader destroyed their public life. I've witnessed live, there was, I remember, Congress party event that was going on, CWC meeting, when Manishankar Iyer came out, gave a short bite, and he said if a chai wala wants to be PM, we can set a chai wala stall from him outside. And it didn't politically end very well. He spent a lot of time in public service, including the foreign service. That was a separate part of his life, but in politics, he ended his political career pretty much right at that comment. I think Naresh Tikait and his brother is trying to backtrack. No, we support the government, but some Lahori namak you please ban, and then Pakistani masale coming via Dubai. I don't know what he's talking. I think that backtracking, instantaneous backtracking, is telling you that his brother probably has realized that a Freudian slip, and I can only call it a Freudian slip. These are people who understand politics. They are second, third generation master politicians. Okay, so it is not an inadvertent thing. He's not said what he mistakenly said something. He said it from his heart. This is what he believes. It's a Freudian slip that what he was thinking has come out on camera. But he has stood the first leader in this country who has opposed not Omar Abdullah, not Rahul Gandhi, but Naresh Tikait, and then some muddling, fuddling reaction from Rakesh Tikait talking about Lahori Namak. We let the viewers judge for themselves. Can you understand that 26 people have just been killed in Pahalgam? There are tensions between India and Pakistan, and he's talking about Lahori Namak. He's talking about some Apple blockade. He's talking about what happens when somebody gets murdered in the village. It is, I don't know what to say. I'm not being able to understand clinically what the message was, but I understand very clearly what Naresh Tikait's message was. The Indus Water Treaty Accord must be restored, water must flow to Pakistan, and I can tell you what the headlines in Pakistan in the next few minutes are going to be. Megha.
Ambassador Mukherjee, what could be the advantage here that these Tikait brothers were looking for when they made such statements to begin with?
When they made such absurd and ludicrous and unpatriotic statements, they probably didn't realize the huge backlash they would face. Within 2 minutes, they changed their position because they must have started receiving a huge backlash on their mobile phones. I presume they had their mobile phones with them. And I repeat what I said, Megha, that these are discredited individuals. They don't have a large following. I would say that their careers will come to final end very soon. And in any case, in the backtracking, they have reaffirmed that they fully support the government policy. And all they are saying is that everything from Pakistan should be stopped, including that coming from Dubai. Very, very good advice, which we will convey to the government and to the powers that be. And for the rest of it, I think we should just ignore them completely and get on with our lives. They're not worth wasting 2 minutes of national television time on, in my opinion.
Okay.